Has a million chance of winning the crown.
Million to one.
Million to one. So after the preliminary...
One in a million.
One
yes.
in a million.
So after the preliminary competition, you think that she has a chance?
Now it's a million to one.
Million to
Wow, yeah. And who are you
Changed my
wearing?
mind.
You look
Ma'am, sino
fabulous.
po ma'am yung damit niya? Sino nag-gown?
Ito Kurata.
Wow, oo, social. Tawag dito ma'am, may question po kami. Aside from Maxine, we don't know kung talagang kasama po si Maxine sa top 5 nyo. Sino-sino po yung top 5 nyo ma'am?
Marami akong top 5. I like China. I like marami eh. I like
Yung pinaka-paborito nyo ma'am?
sino ba yung nasa Dominican Republic? I like Venezuela. I like actually it's not fair to really name kasi yun ang mga nakaupo sa table namin eh.
Opo.
Kaya yun ang mga gusto ko, di ba?
Opo.
Nakilala ko sila. Yun.
Opo. Bali ma'am, bilang first Miss Universe ma'am.
Japan.
Tawag dito ma'am, do you think ma'am talaga na kung kayo po magiging coach ni Maxine, ano po yung pwede nyong ituro sa kanya para ma-sure natin manalo siya bilang Miss Universe?
Ang pinaka-maiko-coach ko sa niya, she's doing perfect now. She has the perfect dress, perfect clothes. Yes, she can get an interpreter to give her more time and speak in her own language. Otherwise, she's got it made.
So
Sigurado na yan.
how does it feel that Miss Universe now is the third time to host the Philippines?
Well, it doesn't change my life, no? But I like it kasi parang I think we have a lot to show compared the last time. We have more beautiful places again now, and we have done a good job so far. Everything seems to fall in place.
Ma'am, less than a few hours before the coronation, what can you say to the girls?
Enjoy. Don't eat para malitan tiyan.
What should they be feeling right now, ma'am? What do you think they're feeling right now?
Tired, I think. No, tired. But I think many of them are very confident. Many of them know what they're doing. Mas magaling pa nga sila now than during my time. During my time, we were so young, so naive. Wala kaming ginawa kundi kumain.
Ma'am, last question ma'am. Ma'am, yung daughter niyo po, we are planning to also to join her for Binibini Pilipinas para magkaroon din siyang chance for Universe.
Alam mo, joining a contest, nasa sa iyo yan eh. Kahit kalad ka rin ko si Belle, hindi yan sasali. Kasi she's a teacher. She's a teacher of children. How naman will they say? How can she show herself? Buti nga, pumayag siyang to join showbiz. And I was right because ang galing-galing niya, di ba? Sa kanyang mga pelikula. Eh, pinagbigyan na niya in one time showbiz, tapos Miss Universe naman. Nakita ba nyo yung she imitated me?
Nag-imitate
ang galing-galing niya. But I have another daughter, Ava. Who's also very very nice, very pleasant. Pero ayaw din nila mag-join. Takot lahat sila. Tama na daw yung isang Miss Universe.
How do you stay flawless?
Flawless? Many ways. Good life, eating right, exercise, going to the right derm. So, yun.
Thank you so
Ma'am,
much.
what do you
Thank
think
you.
of Maxine's performance last preliminaries?
Okay naman. Ganda nga ng dress niya, no? Ganda. Okay naman.
Were
You
you
cannot
surprised
judge
or-
people with what they say.
Opo,
Kasi
okay lang
ninenervous sila eh.
Opo.
Diba?
What about her national costume, ma'am? What can you say about it?
I liked it. With that palong on her head, it's attractive. Diba? I like it. It's attractive. It's bongga. Ganun na yata ang uso ngayon. Diba? The
Who
more,
designed your gown, ma'am?
Ito Kurata.
Tomorrow.